4As that we are going to use are in the public portal. Those are the results. Those results cannot be changed. The results at polling station are final, and nobody can change those results. Even if there's a mistake, as a commission, we shall just note the error and keep the error form. And in the event of any dispute, we shall submit that error form together with the results to the Supreme Court. So let's understand each other from there, that the results are from that 4A, and they have been transmitted electronically from polling stations across the country. I save a few. We are now at 97.7. There's what's the difference? 2.3, 2.27 still out there, and these are areas like Fafi and other areas where there are issues of network challenges, and we expect that hopefully, and also elders where the voting is ongoing, as per the remarks which we made this afternoon. So those are the results, but there is a process as to how then to get to the final declaration, and that process is what I've explained, that the images are here. We are going to get the original 4As and compare them against the image in the presence of presidential agents. Some of them, I see them in the room, and that we have to do because it's a legal requirement. And once that's done, then we shall fill from that 4C, which then will give us the final total. Remember, in this process, we are looking for 50% plus 1 for the winner, and we're also looking for compliance with the Constitution, where the winning candidate must have 25% of the minimum number of counties, which is 24. So all these processes must be done. And after all that, then we shall declare the president-elect or give the way forward of the results for the presidential election. So I don't know, if I'm not clear, I'll start that again. But I believe that's a process. Please acquaint yourself with the process, because the issue of saying that we should declare results today, that will not happen today. We have 7 days to do that. But as the National Returning Officer, I'm assuring you that we shall do everything possible to have this process concluded at the earliest possible time.
Chairman, my name is Samuel Owino from Daily Nation. I just need a clarification from the Commission on why Form 34B from Mayale has been an incomplete form. 34B from Mayale has been uploaded at the Commission's portal. I've not had you addressing it. I don't know whether it has been brought to your attention.
It's not yet brought to my attention, but I'll pick it up in our next presser.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Chairman. My name is Giverson Maina from K24 TV. Question number 1 is, will you start to stream the results once you begin the process of verification, or maybe you wait and announce the final tally? Number 2 is, what can you say about maybe what is the success rate of this particular process as far as presidential polling polls is concerned? How do you rate the IBC and the whole process? And 3, what is that challenge that you think is the biggest challenge so far you faced since you began this process?
Okay, one of these screens will be used to populate the results for each constituency and the results garnered by each candidate in each constituency. And another screen will also populate results as per the counties, so that we are able to achieve then what is expected of us in terms of results process. So yes, immediately the teams verify the Form 34As and also look at Form 34Bs. Then remember that 34Bs are a collection of 34As in the constituency. Once we have the results, then we shall populate constituency by constituency until we do all the 290 constituencies plus diaspora results. And they'll appear on this screen, and we shall announce each result as soon as the process is finished by the teams which are down here. So yes, we shall populate it. Immediately they come one by one and announce the country one by one as they come in. Success rate, I think we answered that one when we finish this process. But so far the polling, I just want to say polling went on smoothly. The areas where there was manual voting, it's provided for in law. And I want to believe that the issue of scoring the success rate, we can do it all together when we finish this process. Thank you.
Asante. Mwenyekiti, mimi naitwa Goodluck Paul kutoka Azam TV Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Jana ulitoa kauli ya matumaini kwamba IEBC mnakusudia zoezi hili zima liishe mapema iwezekanavyo. Kutokana na changamoto zote hizi ambazo zimetajwa, tathmini yenu mpaka sasa hivi ni ipi? Bado tuendelee kuwa na matumaini hayo, au kuna kitu ambacho mnaona pengine kinaweza ikasababisha zoezi hili pengine kuchukua muda zaidi ya ule ambao ulitarajiwa?
Is that the last question? Yeah. Sisi kama tume tunafanya kazi kulingana na sheria na tutaendelea na hiyo kazi. Matokeo ya urais tumepewa muda ya siku 7 kuangalia kuwa hiyo matokeo itolewe, na tutajitahidi kumaliza hiyo kazi mapema iwezekanavyo. Asante sana.
Thank you very much. That was the status update as of now, and we will inform you of the next update. Thank you very much.